In this section, we will introduce the AB route operation mode, which allows for quick operation without the need to plan the field in advance. This mode helps reduce the work of the pilot, ensures even spraying, and is suitable for regular-shaped fields such as square, rectangular, trapezoidal, and triangular areas. Power on the remote controller and then the drone. Tap Begin on the home screen of the DJI Agras app on the remote controller. Check whether the drone status is normal. If a warning that blinks red appears, resolve the issue as prompted. Fill liquid pesticide into the spray tank and tighten the lid of the spray tank. For the first flight route, we recommend that you fill the spray tank about halfway and avoid overfilling. The power consumption will increase when points A and B are set with a full load. Tap Operation Mode switch in the upper left corner of the screen and select Route. Select AB route as the task type and then tap Add. Set the task parameters according to the actual situation. Control the drone to fly to the field boundary point. Tap Set a point to record point A. If the field is trapezoidal or triangular, tap Set angle of point A. The drone will hover and adjust the heading. When the FPV horizontal line in the FPV camera view is parallel to the field boundary, tap Set angle of point A again to set the heading at point A. Then, navigate the drone to the other end of the task area. The drone will automatically spray from point A to point B. Upon reaching the boundary point at the other end, tap Set B point to record point B, and then adjust the heading at point B according to the actual situation. If the recorded location of point B is inaccurate, you can tap the Set Point B icon again to reset point B. You can also readjust the heading at point B to align the flight route with the field boundary. Take note that the angle formed by the boundary at point A and that at point B should not be too large or small. Otherwise, the app will not generate a flight route properly. After setting is completed, tap Start to perform a pre-task auto check. After the auto check is complete, slide right or press and hold the R3 button to start the task. You can select a return point to bypass obstacles that the drone encounters during the flight. Generally, Return Point 1 allows the drone to bypass a single obstacle on the current flight route, and Return Point 2 will cause the drone to advance to the next flight route. When the liquid pesticide is used up or the battery is low, the remote controller will prompt with voice and pop-up notifications. In this case, control the drone to return to the takeoff point for refill or battery change. Then tap Resume to proceed with the task. When the task is completed, tap End, check the task area, time, and spraying amount in the task summary, and tap Save as Field to save the task area as a field, which can be directly used for future tasks.